On this occasion, we will look at the cleaning process of blackheads behind the ears by a beauty specialist. This area is often neglected, but it can be a gathering place of dirt, oil, and dead skin cells that trigger the appearance of blackheads. The procedure begins with cleaning the area behind the ear, using an antiseptic liquid to ensure hygiene and prevent the risk of infection. Next, the doctor uses a sterile blackhead extractor to carefully remove the blackheads one by one. This process is carried out with special techniques so as not to cause pain or irritation to the patient's skin. The area behind the ear is a part that is often missed in the daily care routine. In fact, dirt accumulated in this area can affect skin health. This cleansing process not only provides instant results in the form of clean skin, but also helps prevent skin problems in the future. After all the blackheads are lifted, the doctor applies a liquid soothing to relieve redness and provide a soothing sensation. This liquid also helps speed up the recovery of post-mortem skin. Through this treatment, doctors remind the importance of keeping the area behind the ear clean, especially for those who often sweat or use hair products. By regularly cleaning this area, the skin will remain healthy and avoid blackhead problems later on.